It is highly effective in slope compaction. This iPride slope vibratory compactor can be attached to any 8 to 50 ton class excavators and backhoe loaders. This is not a normal compactor. It is a vibratory compactor. Infra Engineers India, the preferred company for construction equipment attachments. Over 250 units of slope vibratory compactor are working successfully in India across states like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh, and also in global market for major irrigation, railway projects, roads, hydropower, and trench compaction. Our clientele includes L&T, Patel Engineering, NCCL, IVRCL, Afcons Infrastructure, PVR projects across Pan-India, and our extended overseas clientele includes Africon, Blue Pearl International in Africa, and our prestigious clients are NCCL LLP International and Smart General Contractors in Middle East. This is not a normal compactor. It is a vibratory compactor. Infra Engineers India, the preferred company for construction equipment attachments. We are also manufacturing and supplying iPride sheep foot roller attachment for excavator to compact slopes, infilling reaches, involving canal and irrigation projects.